This is cover.
So first of all, I've seen you make this type of Lego several times. I've seen several different variations. Was this a boat or an airplane?
Airplane.
Wow. So that's the cover. Tell me more.
Bumpers.
Bumpers? If he bumps into some other airplanes?
It'll crush them.
Wow. It will slice them like a knife?
Sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Golden.
Wow. It's made out of gold.
Treasure. Powered by the sun.
Oh.
Headlights.
Headlights are inside of the airplane? Oh, I guess maybe because it's flying in the sky. Is that why?
Dragger.
Dragger? To drag another airplane? Or like drag people off the ground?
Lander. Done.
It's very stylish. I love it. Is this where the Batman sits, or is this is that a seat? Or where does the like whoever flies it, where do they sit?
It flies itself.
Oh, it's the remote controlled airplane.
No remote control. Powered by the sun.
Oh, so it flies by itself. It's not controlled. It has brains. It has chips, computers in its body, huh?
Done.